Alright, so today we're going to do gas laws for your chemistry class. I know they probably give it weird names like Boyle's law, Toyle's law, whatever it is. But we're not going to worry about that. We're going to worry about how to do the question. We're going to make it as simple as possible. Right, Ahmed?
Yeah.
So, Ahmed, this is our general formula. If you memorize this, you pretty much got everything down. Now, from this, we can derive three formulas. Okay? First, if we cut out the temperature, and by the way, this is pressure, volume, and temperature, which makes sense, right? So first, if we know the temperature, what do we get? We get P1 V1 equals P2 V2. Right? Now, if we ignore volume, what do we get? P1 T1 equals P2 T2. And now, if we ignore pressure, what are we left with? V1 T1 equals V2 T2. Now, all of these have some named after someone. It doesn't really matter. As long as you're able to memorize these relationships, you'll be fine. So, how do we, when do we use them? How do we use them? Let's go over that real quick. The time to use this is whenever there's a change in one of these states. So what do I mean? They're going to give you a question. They're going to say, blah, 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 something has a pressure, let's just write it out actually, pressure of 30 millimeters of mercury. And the volume is 20 liters. So this is describing the initial state. Okay? As soon as they do that, the next thing they're going to give you, they're going to change something here. So what they'll do is they'll say, okay, what is the pressure when the volume is 30 liters? This will be their question. Okay, so this is the initial state, this is the change. So what I'll do is the initial will give the P1, V1, and the change will be P2 and V2. So if we write this down, P1 is 30 and V1 is 20. So millimeters of mercury and liters. I got it from right here. Now, what is the pressure? We don't know what the pressure is, right? So this is our question mark. And what is the volume? The volume is now 30 liters. So what are they asking for? Pressure. Now they're always going to do this. They're going to give you 3 and leave 1. So which formula are you going to use? Something with pressure and volume in it. We don't really care. These aren't useful because this has temperature in it and we don't know temperature. That's not involved in the situation. So we're going to just use this one right away. So this is going to be P1 V1, so this is going to be 30 times 20 equals P2 times 30. And so if we, this is going to be 600 equals P2 times 30. We're going to divide by 30. And so our new pressure is 20. And so they're going to give you variations. So in this situation, they'll say the pressure is something and the temperature is something, and then there's a change. And the same thing here with volume and temperature. So this is an easy way to do it. Hopefully you found this helpful. How's that?
So basically, what just happened was, this is the mixtape that we just sent out.
The remix.
Khan Academy, Bozeman Science, Bright Storm, we coming for your asses. Okay? We ain't taking no shit. There's Kareem in the building.
Dubai doctor.
That's a Dubai doctor in the building. It's Ahmed, A Boone. Yes, I got ice on my wrist. You know what I'm saying? It's 24 carats.
G-Unit.
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 G-Unit. Heavyweight. Heavyweight, son.
Heavyweight.
We don't mess with that lightweight shit. We eat Texas chicken. That's Arabic. That's Arabic for y'all boys. Just in case you don't know.
That's how the Dubai doctor does it.
In case they don't know. Thank you.
All right, cut. Let's see.